Hi, I'm Connor. I'm from Bayshore, Long Island, and this is my house.
Put a spotlight in there. I'm slow with it. You can go a little faster, just keep it steady.
Here we have the hallway. This big hallway. There's my friend Owen sitting on the couch. The armrest and the headlight.
Tony over here.
There's Tony.
I'm Kevin.
And there's Kevin. This is our igloo. That's all the front door.
What about the couch, the living room?
That's the back door.
Take a look at the couch.
Nice big couch.
Yes, someone's got. This is our awesome igloo.
Some flashlights.
Headlight, I should say. And then
We're going back out through the front door.
Awesome hallway.
There's one of the other flashlight holders. And there we are through the front door.
Who's that? Your roommate? Is that your roommate?
It's my roommate,
Daniel.
Dan. It's my roommate.
The Muffin Man.
That's my roommate, Tony. And that's my roommate, Kevin. And that's my roommate, Mike.
Yeah.
There's Owen.
And what is this, Connor?
Me in my house.
Yeah, boy. Get some,